Introducing the 2024 Aprilia SR GT 125, where style meets performance for the urban explorer. Powered by a responsive 125cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke I-Get engine, the SR GT 125 delivers an impressive 14.8 horsepower at 8,750 revolutions per minute and 12.0 Newton-meter of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, providing swift acceleration and smooth performance for city commutes. With its automatic gearbox, riding the SR GT 125 is a breeze. Whether you're weaving through congested streets or cruising on the open road, this scooter offers effortless control and agility. Weighing in at just 115 kg, the SR GT 125 is nimble and easy to maneuver, perfect for urban environments. Plus, with its Euro 5 emission compliance and efficient engine, it's not just powerful, it's also environmentally friendly. Featuring a comfortable seat height of 799mm and a ground clearance of 155mm, riders of all sizes can enjoy a relaxed and confident riding position. Experience the thrill of urban exploration with the 2024 Aprilia SR GT 125. Elevate your commute, elevate your journey. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on motorcycles like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride free.